I got the opportunity to go to this store called Cotton Cloud in Portland, and this is what I got. Yes, I got a bone-shaped pillow. Fish? I don't know. Bow-shaped pillow, which is fantastic for any side sleeper. Yes, queen. Why is this important? It's because you spent like a quarter of your life sleeping, so you want to get good sleep because sleep is beauty. Yeah. But all jokes aside, it's really important for me and to find a pillow like this because I have pretty severe scoliosis. Hence all the healthy shoes, all the healthy stuff. Here's another look at this pillow, and it's amazing because it's made out of wool. Yeah, slap that baby. So it regulates temperature really well, and the cover is made out of 100% cotton. So your head goes here, your shoulder will cradle right here if you're sleeping on the side, of course. So you can grab onto this side, and then this back here will cradle your back. If you're a back sleeper, this is also fantastic because you want part of your shoulders like to kind of sit on, to lie on the pillow. And so, I don't know if you can see, but you can kind of see that my neck is not doing this, like what happens with most pillows. Because of the shape of this, my neck is straight. It's aligned. I know I haven't been on here as consistently because there's a lot of big things happening in my life and I'm really excited to tell you about this. But for right now, I'm super stoked to use this. Chronic pain is no joke, man. I mean, if you are dealing with chronic pain like I am, it's either you can put up with a lot of shit or you do not have the patience for it. I'm just a woman with many problems. I got neck problems, back problems, feet problems. I mean, it's all from carrying all this good looks and intelligence. On that note, if you have back problems, like I do, maybe even neck problems, shoulders, upper body-ish, I have found that the best thing that has worked for me is sleeping on the floor. I sleep on a bed that is basically from the Flintstones. It's very firm, very hard, but it's incredible for your back because it doesn't allow your spine to sink into the mattress. We often go through our days hunched over like this, in this position, whether we're sitting or walking. So when you sleep on a really soft bed, like a memory foam, it encourages this position even more and you wake up in more pain. I also got 3 shikibutans from the same place. They're all handmade here in Portland. So not only do I get good sleep, I get to support local artisans. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful, especially to those suffer from pain. Also, the reality of me writing those pretty posts is I look like this in bed.